How to keep Discord running in the background on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Then on the left side, click on any server and then join the voice channel by clicking on voice channel. After you're in the voice channel, go back and open all the tabs. In all the tabs, simply hold on to the Discord app. After you hold on to the Discord app, you will find lock option. Click on lock. After you do that, even after you clear everything, which means all the tab, Discord won't be removed. And after that, it will keep running in the background. This is how to keep Discord running in the background on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.